Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I want to explain INEC registration websites. The site is loaded. You can do a lot of things on the site. You can transfer your PVC from one state to another. You can move it from even within the state, from one local government to another, or from one street to another. You can also request for reprint. If your card is missing, you can try and trace it. You can even check if your card is in the system. If you try all the criteria and you don't see your card in the system, your information is not coming up, the next thing to do is to go and do a fresh registration. But make sure you use your correct information to query the system, to query the database. You enter your name, your date of birth, the state where you made the registration, and click search so that the system can help you query it. If your information matches what you have in the system, it will bring it up. So follow me. The website once again is cvr.inecnigeria.org. Then you put /home/start. When you get here, this is what you will see. It's like this. If you have a Gmail, if you are using your Android phone or any phone or a laptop, whatever you are using, if you have a Gmail, you can simply click here and log in with your Gmail. Or if you don't want to use that method, you can come here and create a new user. You put your first name, surname, your mobile number, your email, confirm the email password, and log in. In this case, I don't want to go through this process. I'll just sign in with my Gmail. So I'll click here. So I'll enter my phone number here. So I've entered my phone number and I've clicked and it brought me here. You see, it says sign up complete. You can use your email, that is your Gmail, to sign up, or you sign up the other way. But I prefer the Gmail method because it is simpler. Now, the first thing we have here is new voters registration. So if you click here under the new voters registration, if you are not registered for your voters card before and would like to do so now, click the button. What this place is saying is, if you have never registered for your voters card, this is where you start. You click here to start. You click start registration. Now, as at the time of this recording, this service is still suspended, so we are going to skip this. If you want to register for a new voters card, you have to go to the INEC office closest to you. That is where you can do your new registration. For now, maybe it will change later, I don't know, but for now you have to go to the closest LGA office. That's the closest INEC office to you, to be able to carry out a fresh registration. Now review. If you are registered and you have not yet received your information by providing your photo online on this platform, click the button below to begin the process. You have registered, but you have not yet uploaded your picture. You have your username and password. You click here. So in this review, it says retrieve your voters registration record. Now you enter the state where you are residing, your local government, your surname, and your first name. Then you enter your date of birth. These ones are optional. If you know it, you can put it, but if you don't know it, you can skip. Then you enter your gender. Even gender is optional here. When you are done, you click here and say, I'm doing it for myself. So I simply use my information. I registered in Lagos. Ikeja. So I'll click record. So when you are done, you click search. If your information is there, it will bring it out so that I can review it and upload your photo. That is that. But I don't have any pending application, so that's why it's not seeing my record. So now I'll move to the next one. This one is transfer. If you are moving from state to state, or from local government to local government, or you are moving from street to street, you are moving from one place to another, this is what the one you work on. Transfer. If you are registered and want to change your voting location to another polling unit, click the button below. Now you click here. Come here. Remember, this is your state, your registration, not your state of origin, except you registered in your state of origin. So I'll click. When you are done, you click search record. If your record is there, it will bring it out. Let's go back. Now, this one is information updates. If you are registered and want to update or correct information on your voter's card, click the button below to begin. Now, this one, if you want to update any information, maybe in your previous, in your current registration, maybe you are single, for instance, or your date of birth is not correct. If your date of birth is not correct on your voter's card and it's correct on your NIN, this is where you can do it. You can correct the date of birth here, or your name is not correct, was misspelled, or your name is missing, or you want to remove a certain name. This is where you click to update your information. So click request updates. Now this is my information. Brought out my information, so I click continue. Now this is information updates. When you open it, you can see, as you can see, you can change the name, you can change the surname, you can change the first name, you can change the date of birth, you can change the occupation, you can even change the gender, you can change your address, and then you can change everything, your birth. Just go through it, see all the information, you can change it. Now when you are done, this is very important. You have to upload things that will support your claim. For instance, if your date of birth is not correct, you are claiming that your date of birth is not correct on your voter's card, you must have something that has the date of birth you are claiming. Maybe it's your international passport, your NIN, or whatever. So you can snap it and upload here. Or you have a court affidavit or whatever. You have to put something here. Select the one that best addresses what you are trying to correct. You put it here and you browse it. You select the option and then you upload the document to support it, and you do it here too. Maybe you can put affidavit in the first one here, and then when you come down to the second one, you can put identity document, maybe your NIN or international passport or driver's license. That's it. Since I don't have anything to upload, I'll cancel it and go back. Now when you are done, you come here and upload your photo. For everything you do on this portal, you have to upload your photo. If you are reviewing your information, you upload your photo. If you are doing transfer, you upload your photo. Then for transfer, now if I want to do transfer, I'll check for my information here. Residence where you live, your present address, you enter it. Where do you want to vote? Now where you are living presently, you enter it here. The country, the state, the local government. Now where do you want to vote? Lagos, Sulere. When you pick the local government, it will show all the words under that local government. So you click the word. When you click the word, it will now show the polling units around that area. After you have completed this segment, you now come here. You come here to this document upload. You have to give evidence of why, if truly you are moving. You can put your house rent receipt, or you show a court affidavit and upload here, or utility bill, whatever shows that you are currently living in that place, the new place you are claiming, your new polling unit. So you put it here. You put one here and you put another one here to support your claim. If you have maybe you have a valid ID card that is showing your current address where you want to change from the former to, you can upload it just to show that yes, you are moving to a new place. But affidavit is best because in the affidavit you can swear that you have moved your location. I think affidavit should be the first option, and then other means of identification can follow. Remember that everything you do, you have to upload your photo. So if you are doing three things, you can review your information and also request for transfer. So on each one, you must upload your photo. So don't be tired. Now, collect your PVC. If you have registered previously and you have not gotten your PVC card, click the button below to find out where you're. Now, this one, if you have registered, some people claim they have registered, they have not received their voters card. Now, you can come here. You click this place. You enter the information. If you enter your information, which state did you register for the voters card? You have to know your state of origin. But, like I said, if you are residing in Lagos, you are from Benue, you have to put Lagos. If you register for the PVC in Lagos, you have to put Lagos. But if you are a citizen, or if you are an indigenous of Lagos and you also register in Lagos, why not? You just put Lagos here. Then you enter your local government, you enter your surname and your first name. Then you enter your date of birth. These ones are optional. This one's here. So you enter your gender, then you choose this one. Now this one, if you have a temporary voters card, you always see it at the back. But if you are not sure, maybe the thing is not clear, just avoid this place completely. Because if you enter anything wrongly here, it will not bring out the information. So it's better for it to be blank than for you to enter wrong information. So you click search. If it's correct, it will bring out the information. Then you click continue and say yes. Now this is my information. Specific information where I'll get my PVC card is here. Now I register in Sulege, so it's telling me that I can go to the INEC office at Sulege to locate my voters card. So it has narrowed down the search for me. So this is what it says. Designated pickup location. Specific information on where voters can pick up their PVC nationwide is currently being allocated. However, you can visit the local. They have not yet distributed the voters card. That's what they are saying. But you can go to your local government where INEC office is and look for your voters card there. You can get it there. That's what they are saying. Now let's go to the last one. The last one is lost or damaged PVC. Some people, maybe the way they carry their PVC, it has been defaced and they want another one that has been broken. You can request for a new one here. Or you lost it with your wallet, or they snatched your bag, and so on and so forth. You can get it from here. This is the last one here. Say if you have misplaced your PVC, or if your PVC is damaged and you would like a replacement, click here. So you click here. Then you enter the information or your information. Then you click search record. Then you say continue. If it's correct, then you say yes. Now, lost or damaged PVC replacement request. Use this section if you have misplaced your PVC, or if your PVC is damaged and you would like a replacement. So it says here, supporting documents. Before then, you see reason for replacement of card. Why do you want INEC to replace your card? Card was misplaced. Card is physically damaged. Card is not readable. So you pick the option that best describes your situation. Then you pick a supporting document. Remember, you can swear an affidavit that your voter's card is missing, was stolen, or stuff like that. If it was stolen, you can swear an affidavit that you put the affidavit here. Then you snap the affidavit or you scan it and upload it. Then the second one, You can put any other source of if you have a photocopy of it, of the one that was stolen or the one that is now defaced, you can put it here. Now, if your voter's card is defaced, you can snap it or scan it and upload it here. You can put it under other or identity documents. Just pick one option and upload it here, or put other supporting documents. I hope with this tutorial I'm being able to explain the different segments of this website. It is very important that you get your PVC so that you can vote for your choice. Vote your conscience, and let's see if you can move this country forward. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, and share this video to your friends so that they'll be able to know what to do when they get to the INEC website. Please like, share. I'll see you some other time with more tutorials. Bye bye.